Hey, welcome back. So we are going to go ahead and get right into this video. So y'all already know that, Ming went ahead and put out a diss track, and following about 10 months later, Liv puts out a rap tape or whatever. So now you got these two going back and forth with battle rapping each other, and normally Ming is over here, talking about her 15 different surgeries that she had, and Liv is over here trying to knock a hole into running to the refrigerator. So with that being said, let's go ahead and break it down. So the winner is Ming and Liv. The winner is, they said Ming did the thing. All right. I had more people that said Ming did the thing and said that Liv needed to go sit her ass down and shut up for the rest of the year. And Liv said, oh, I could make 2 or 3 more songs. I just stopped right here. Liv, honey, don't you dare make any more songs, honey. Don't do it. If you make them, make it and sing it in the shower. That's what you do. Now, I often ask myself, is Liv and Chrissy and Jasmine and Ming, are they in it to win it? Are they acting this way so they can basically get all of their coins? So look, y'all, I've been felt that way. I really do. So, all right, check it out. Somebody sent me an actual email, because y'all already know how Reese do. If she don't have no receipts, the girl ain't even going to share it with y'all. I'm not even going to bring it to the discussion board. Now, this information that we are getting ready to break down and go over, we are going to say that this is allegedly. Allegedly, okay? So let's go right on into my, let's see. Hey Reese, I ran into Olivia today as she mentioned on her IG Live. She moved to Houston and she got lip injections. She is living with, are you bitches ready for this? Allegedly, she is living with, allegedly, she is living with Reese. If I had some pearls right now, I probably would have grabbed them and threw them out the window. Allegedly, okay? She is living with Maurice. She was with him and a lady named Misha. And if y'all remember that, Misha is actually one of Ming's friends. So when I heard the Misha shit, I said, wait a minute. That's Ming actually friend. And I'm thinking more so, just because I'm friends with him don't mean that you gotta be friends with him. But it is said that you put out your friend Ming's address. So that would be a no-no, where I wouldn't even talk to you then, because you on some grimy ass shit. Okay? Lady named Misha that was also in her live. Misha is good friends with Ming, who is beefing with Liv. Allegedly, people, not true at all. That's what she said. Not true at all. Are all friends and they're playing everyone. Y'all comment down below. What do you guys think of this situation now that I have read you a little scoop, a little tea? So yeah, y'all, that's what the email said. This is all allegedly. I mean, I don't know, but personally, do I think that Liv is actually living with Maurice? I am going to say no, I do not. Not at all. I am just bringing this information to you guys because I received it, but a lot of it, do I believe? No. And I'll break it down. I do not believe that Liv is living with Maurice. Also, I forgot this, but Liv, the girl said that Liv is in actually Texas, Houston. So that is what got me as well. Oh, so you decided to go ahead on over, and move on over to Texas because that is what you and the Mamiana gang have put out to actually make sure that all of you guys are in the same place. So we already know Jasmine is on the verge of getting probably put the fuck out or set the fuck out. So eventually I'm thinking that she will be over there in Houston as well. Yeah. So y'all, this whole thing is a little bit crazy or whatever, because I really think that all of them are in the same boat together. Like, this is something that they are playing the game now. At first I didn't, but as I looked through it in so many different angles, I'm like, yo, these bitches is playing the shit out of us. That's what they doing. I mean, for some reason, I'm like, stuff is not adding up. It already don't add up. When Chrissy is on camera now, she seems, and she's got, Jazzy, her, or Ming, and they are talking about Olivia. Her whole face is like a stupid face. Like, I hope that I look like I'm telling the truth. I hope that I don't come across like I'm lying. And I'm looking at it like, why Chrissy look like that? Like the other day when they did, the three people on, and it's like, not only that, but it seems like Jasmine has been popping off a little bit more than anyone. And we already know that Jasmine can't fight her way out of a goddamn paper bag. Only thing that Jasmine can do is lay down, have sex, have a baby, and go outside and throw a ball in a hoop. That's it. Jasmine can't even cook. When you look at how Jasmine cook, you can already tell that she does not know how to season food. So when she cooks, the first thing that comes to your mind is, ugh, I know that shit is bland as hell. All right. Then on top of that, the reason why I know she really couldn't cook was the fact that the other day when she was frying the tilapia and she washed her hands off, came back to the pot. Listen to me clearly. Came back to the pot with the boiling grease on it and shook the excess water out into the pot. Dum Jasmine, here's a tip. When you are boiling grease and you put excess water in it and shake it in there, it makes the grease pop out. All right. And we already know that you have bad skin. We don't want you to get fucked up by a grease bubble. I mean, damn. Yeah, y'all, but this shit is crazy. I mean, it is. It's crazy. But y'all tell me down below. Tell me down below. Do y'all think that these four are playing games? Because again, your girl Liv, loyalty gang, which she ain't telling y'all shit, but Liv is already in Houston, Texas, Houston, to be exact. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get off of here. And as always, guys, I will see you in the next video.